What is the difference between the CO2 Cannon Plus jet and the CO2 Cannon Basic jet? Well, basically everything is the same except a couple of features. The CO2 Plus is a plus version. Look at that as an upgrade. The upgrade itself is going to have digital DMX. You can set it digitally. You don't have to do the dip switches. Why? Dip switches, we all know, we hate calculating those, okay? You put it on the wrong one and something fires weird. So upgraded DMX. Some of them also have, depending on the model and the version of when the manufacturing date was, some of those also offer both 3-pin and 5-pin DMX. So 3-pin DMX and 5-pin together. Whereas the basic one doesn't. It's a basic model, basic and plus. You want the plus typically because it's only a couple of bucks more depending on when it's, what sales are going on and what the price is. Typically that's not much more. Eventually we'll end up phasing out the basic because the majority of the people want the plus anyways. Why would you want something that's less superior? Anyways, those are the basic idea. Those are the basic in general correlations between the two. Obviously the valves are going to be the same, the external casing is the same thickness, the weights are generally the same, slightly off because more features on the other one, like the other 3-pin, 5-pin, you're talking about like a half-pound difference or less, not much, but regardless, that's the difference between them. Again, we would recommend going with CryoFX jets because those are better, they last longer. However, that's your call. We have another video on how to select the best CO2 jet on our channel. Please go ahead and watch that. Leave any comments in the description below. Like and subscribe if you found this useful because liking and subscribing, sharing is caring. Somebody else may want to know this information as well. Don't keep it all to yourself. This is CryoFX. Thanks for watching.